welcome back to the channel. Today we are looking at the stock price of SoFi Technologies, and so far today the stock is down 1.50%, trading at $6.88. The volume today is quite healthy. We still have about 3.5 hours to the close of market, but the volume seems to be about half of the usual average, with 22 million shares that have exchanged hands compared to an average volume of 51.6 million shares. Market capitalization of SoFi Technologies is today at $5.48 billion. And just for some context, the previous close of SoFi Technologies was $6.98, but the stock opened today at $7.08, and since then has dropped down to $6.88. Looking at the graph, you can see over the past 5 trading sessions that SoFi Technologies has been having this up and down movement, which is almost predictable, starting the day and then rushing up and then slowly dropping once more, and it ends up lower each time. So today we are low, so there's a very good chance that tomorrow we might see this stock, or by the close of today we might see SoFi Technologies gaining quite an impressive number before dropping later in the week. So if I go to the daily graph, you guys can clearly see how the stock started, dropped, rose, and then now it's on its way down again. However, I think it's still going to bounce up, but it's very difficult to tell where the market is going. Looking at the top of your screens, you can see all the major indices started quite high in the green, and now they are barely breaking even. S&P 500 is up barely 0.26%. Dow 30 is up 0.07%, Nasdaq up 0.15%, and the Russell 2000 is up 0.12%. Crude oil is trading at $118 a barrel. So quite difficult for the retail customers out there who have to put gas in their car. They have to do groceries. It's very, very tough with inflation running rampant. The Feds are doing their best by curbing their access to liquidity to cool things down a little, and that seems to be bearing some fruit, as we saw towards the end of last week when the stock market, clawed its way back and gained back some of the losses that it sustained in May. So right now we are seeing SoFi Technologies, holding steady. And there has been some talk about a reverse split of SoFi Technology stock. So we don't know if that's actually going to happen. And if it happens, what the effect might be for the shareholders of SoFi Technologies. Also bear in mind that the app that they have for trading, securities online has had extended hours added. So you no longer have the option of only trading during the normal trading hours, but now you also have the pre-market and after hours trading available to you. So that is where we sit with SoFi Technologies. I, however, think that long term this is going to be a good investment, but for the short and mid-term, it still has to go through all these hurdles that the administration and also the Feds are putting in place to make sure that the economy doesn't go all haywire. And so that might take some time, and financial institutions and fintech companies like SoFi Technologies stand at the front line, and they will be the ones to feel the brunt. Hence, I think that is partially why the stock is seeing a downward trend in what should normally be a very high growth sector. Thank you for your time. I will catch you guys on the next video. Please, on your way out, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.